Hi, this is Miss Robertson, and this is your work for Friday. We're going to look at box plots. So what it says here is, it says to draw a box plot, first you must work out the 5-figure summary. Now, you might not have heard of that yet, it's nothing too exciting. The 5-figure summary is made up from 5 things. It is made up from the lowest number in the list and the highest number in the list. And it's made from the 3 quartiles, the lower quartile, the median, and your upper quartile. Okay, so it's got 5 things in it, and you know what those are. That's okay. Right, so something that's quite interesting about the box is that 50% of the values lie in the box and 25% lie in each whisker. Okay, and they can be used to compare data sets. Okay. So here's an example of a box plot here, and we have the lowest number here and the highest number goes up here. So these bits here, they are called the whiskers, and you can see that you've got the box section in the middle there. Okay, so the bottom part of the box is the lower quartile, the median, and your upper quartile goes there, and then we just join it up like that. So you draw it with a ruler. Okay, so we'll do an example together on this next page here. Draw a box plot for the following data set. Okay, so we'll do this bit first. Okay, so what have we got? We need the 5-figure summary, remember? Okay, the 5-figure summary, which is the lowest number and the biggest number. So I've got my scale drawn out. Now if you get one of these in the exam, every time I've seen one of these in the exam, it has the scale drawn out. Now again, remember, use a ruler. I will try and do this. I might lose the plot with it though, okay? So at 5, I'm going to draw a line. Yeah, there we go. I'm cracking up already. I give up. At 5, I'm going to draw a line. And the biggest number is 18, so at 18 I'm going to draw another line. Okay, so that's my lowest and my highest values. Okay, my lowest value is 5 and my highest value is 18. Okay, so I'm now going to look at finding the median. One from the bottom, one from the top, 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 and there we go. Right, your median is going to be in there. Your median is halfway between 13 and 14. That's easy enough to work out. So hopefully you know that that is 13.5 for your median. Okay, 13.5 for your median, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13.5. Okay, right, so let's look at the bottom section that we're left with here. One from the bottom, one from the top, one from the bottom, one from the top, and the middle is going to be between 6 and 8, halfway between 6 and 8 is 7. So our lower quartile is 7. And up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. So one from the bottom, one from the top, one from the bottom, one from the top. Halfway between 15 and 15 is 15. So that's our upper quartile. So we have 5, 6, 7, upper quartile 15. There we go. Right, but remember, it would be so much better if I could actually do it with a ruler. Right, but I just don't have the patience to try and do it on here. Right, now, that was not the only thing we were asked to do in this question. What else were we asked to do? Calculate the range. The range, what's the range? The range is the biggest number. Take away the smallest one. Okay, so I can see from over here that's going to be 18, take away 5. 18, take away 5, that is 13. Okay, next bit. Interquartile range. Okay, so the interquartile range, you should know, is the upper quartile take away the lower quartile. So I'm going to get those numbers from over here. The lower quartile and the upper quartile. 15, take away 7, and that is 8 for that one. And then the semi-interquartile range, remember a semicircle is half a whole circle. So we work out the interquartile range and we divide it by 2. And that's that bit done. So half the 8 to make the 4. Okay, I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to make another video in a minute with the third example, the third page.